Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to fix a volume problem on iPhone iOS 18. For example, if you have recently installed the latest version of iOS on your device and after that you are facing a problem related to volume or any sound problem, then how you can fix that. For this, what you have to do, you have simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to simply make sure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi or internet connection. And after that, what you have to do, you have to simply go to settings, and here you have to scroll it down until you find the option of general, and in general you have to scroll it again and you can find the option of transfer or reset iPhone. Here you have to simply click on reset and you have to reset all of your network settings. And after that, what you have to do, you have to simply go back, and here you have to simply go to settings related to sound. So you have to simply go to display and brightness, and here you can simply find related to the settings. But if you do not find, then you have to simply go back and you have to go to sound and haptics, and here you have to make sure that you have turned on this toggle. But if you turn off this toggle, then your volume will not be changed from the volume settings. So here you can simply see that. Moreover, if you turn it off, as you can see, your volume will not be changed from the button. Moreover, you have to simply go to the settings related to ringtones, so you can simply check for that. Moreover, you can simply check in the settings of volume limit. So here you can simply turn on the limit maximum volume, so that you can simply access the maximum volume of your iPhone. Moreover, you can also set the setting related to personalized spatial audio, so you can simply access these settings. And if you have already done all the settings and the problem is still there, then you can simply wait for the next update, because these kind of bugs and are fixed by the latest version of iOS. After that, you can simply update to the latest version and your problem will be solved. If the problem is still there, then you can simply take the screenshot of the problem and send it to the Apple support and ask for the solution. Moreover, you can also discuss in Apple discussion and ask Apple user what they have done when they face this kind of error, and they will guide you in a better way. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.